Hey, Divine One, I have a channeled message for you today. Take a big, deep breath with me. Let yourself receive whatever is meant here for you. Today it came through loud and clear that it is time for you to receive support, to receive stability, and to receive a really beautiful love or business partnership, whatever it is you're calling in, that's going to sustain you. You've been doing this by yourself for so long, waiting and waiting and waiting for the right person or experience to come in and change everything for you. And what happened was you had to learn. You had to learn that it's okay to lean into that support. You had to learn that the stability and the structure, the ease is actually okay, is actually safe. You don't have to live in the hustle and survival anymore to prove your worth. You are worthy right here, right now, exactly as you are. And as you open up to the idea that it's safe to receive, that the easy way in life is okay for you, everything is going to shift. So allow yourself to open, allow yourself to lean in, and know that everything is about to change. I'm so excited for you.